Welcome to Safety Shorts. This topic will cover a few basic safety system definitions. Let's get started. Our first one is accident. That's an unplanned event or series of events that result in death, injury, illness to personnel, or damage to or loss of equipment or property. All right, something has actually happened. A near miss is an unplanned event that did not result in injury, illness, or damage, but had the potential to do so. Only a fortunate, lucky, I'll speak a lot about luck actually in our series, break in the chain of events prevented an injury, fatality, or damage. You've all had experience where you said, whew, that was close. All right, that's a near miss, and again, that can be very helpful in our planning for our safety systems. An incident is either an accident or a near miss. A hazard is a condition that is a prerequisite to an accident or mishap. I like to consider it as an accident waiting to happen. A hole in the ground is a hazard. It has the potential to cause an accident, but until somebody steps into it, it does not. So a hazard is a condition with the potential to cause an accident. We have a couple of things associated with the hazard. We have hazard probability. That's the aggregate probability of the occurrence of an individual hazardous events, or it could be hazard frequency, 1 in 100 years, 1 every hour, once a week, etc. The second characteristic of a hazard is its severity. This is where we assess the worst credible mishap that could be caused by a hazard. So if a hazard could cause either somebody could lose their hand in a saw, or they could get splinters, we typically evaluate the most severe, which would be, of course, the cutting off of the hand. Here's a key element we need to be reminded of. Any hazard, which remember is a potential for an accident, plus exposure to that hazard leads us to an incident. And again, incident is either a near miss or the actual accident itself. Risk is an expression of the possibility of a mishap in terms of hazard severity and hazard probability. So risk for our company, for our workers, is in terms of the severity and probability of that hazard. Remember, hazard is a potential for an accident to occur. Safety is the freedom from conditions that can cause death, injury, occupational illness, or damage to or loss of equipment or property. Again, this is the risk. Hazard severity, hazard probability combination. The reduction or elimination of risk is safety. So I can define safety in terms of risk, either reducing it or eliminating it. Controls are the processes, practices, systems, policies, and tools that are designed to eliminate or reduce risk. It could be a single solution or a package of solutions with these. For all of our companies, the controls, risks, hazards are unique. And so we have to address the ones within our organization and not take something off the internet for a company that's even similar to us. We've got to develop our own unique approaches and so on for those. We can use a basic understanding of these simple definitions to help us develop unique approaches to our safety issues in our particular companies. The uniqueness is important. I hope you found this brief introduction informative. Please take the opportunity to review other topics in our series. Thank you very much.